about the 7 trends of alternative protein industry. So the first trend is increase in hybrid or blended proteins. While there are 3 pillars of alternative proteins, that is plant protein, cultured meat and fermentation, the boundaries between the 3 is getting blurred. Blending plant protein with cultivated meat is helping in achieving the cost competitiveness and superior formulation. We also have a few instances for the companies that are teaming up to give both of their products, that is plant protein and cultivated meat, and they join together and produce a product. For instance, Love Handles and Meatables are teaming up to produce the hybrid product of plant protein and cultivated meat. The companies have also planned to commercialize their products by the end of 2024, and they are also saying that their final products, their portfolio shall be including the meatballs and pork products and patties. Hybrid meat products comprising the cultured meat and plant protein have been the steadiest strategies, which is helping the companies in gaining more consumer base, gain acceptance among the consumers, and gain its reach across the Asian markets. The second trend is emergence of innovative new processes. New processes such as PMF, that is plant molecular farming, is using the plant ingredients as a recombinant protein to produce the new ingredients, which traditionally is mostly produced from the animal proteins. The process is similar to precision fermentation, but it only uses the plants instead of bacteria or fungi. Few companies are already doing research in this particular area, and they are investing and raising funds to make cheese via PMF. Moreover, molecular farming is still a technology that is yet to be fully commercialized in the alternative protein landscape. Hence, more activities will bring more customized solution in the entire food value chain system, and soon it will hit the supermarkets with an affordable price range. This might find more acceptance among the consumers, and the market players can utilize the consumer base, the additional consumer base, and this can give them the more opportunity in the market to support the market growth. The third trend for alternative protein industry is increasing the use of AI, machine learning and data science. Increased uses of such technology can help in identifying the advanced ingredients, which can help in identifying or in production of superior proteins. AI can answer most of the questions, as in how the protein would react when it comes in contact with any other ingredient, and how a small chemical change would impact the texture of the final product, and so on. Machine learning and AI-based algorithms are helping the producers to produce innovative plant-based recipes that are as similar as animal-based ingredients. Hence, for the market players of alternative protein, they must invest in the technologies like machine learning, like AI-based algorithms to win over the market share and to make the most promising alternative protein products. Fourth trend is government's involvement in funding research to alternative protein industry. This is again giving the regulatory system a boost. Government has been investing in the alternative protein industry, which has increased to more than a quarter of overall global alternative protein investments in the current year. This will enable opening up of the niche markets, that is cultured and fermented, and widespread distribution of the knowledge for alternative protein industry. By directing the R&D investments to alternative protein industries, developed countries can position themselves and make bigger markets in cultured and fermented products. They can also position themselves as world leader. They can gain more acceptance among the consumers. They can train their future workforce, and they can make more market share and more revenues in the forecast period. Fifth trend of alternative protein industry will be the developing markets like Asia Pacific and Israel market are considered as the hotbed of alternative protein industry in terms of demand, supply and technology. Israel's alternative protein sector has experienced the biggest investment year on record, given that Israel's cultivated protein sector is their forte. More than 15 new companies have been found in Israel. 7 out of which are seafood based, as consumers today are demanding more of the seafood from the alternative protein industry. Therefore, the manufacturers in the alternative protein industry are looking to produce seafood for their consumer demand. Similarly, in Asia Pacific, 25% of market sizing increment is expected by 2025 and 200% increment in growth is expected in China and Thailand countries by the upcoming period. Through collaboration across the ecosystem with larger consumer base, Asia Pacific is all set to witness amplified revenues and higher market growth in the upcoming period. Sixth trend is price reduction in cultivated meat. To make the cultivated meat mainstream, price cuts have been done by as much as 50% by 2022. Back in 2013, cultivated meat's price was around $330,000. However, many companies have been working on the production cost and they have reduced it to a significant level which can be affordable to the consumer base. For instance, Future Meat has reduced the price of lab-grown chicken down to $1.7 a breast, and another Indian company called Clear Meat has reduced the price of cultivated meat down to $13. Other companies such as Impossible Foods, Aegis and LA Farm have also been doing their R&Ds and making changes in their production costs and reducing them as per the consumer demand and making it affordable. This is surging the market's growth and boosting the market size, and it is expected to maintain the same during the forecast period. Seventh and last trend is alternative protein is meeting the demand of traditional cuisine. To meet the demand of traditional cuisines, alternative protein brands are offering various other cuisines, that is Mexican cuisine, Chinese cuisine, Korean cuisines, to meet the consumer demand and make the cultured meat mainstream. Each of these trends will have a substantial impact on the overall alternative protein marketplace, and this is expected to be maintained over the years ahead.